Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this checkered top. It's quick and easy to make. To make this top, start by measuring your bust circumference. Each square is made up of 16 double crochets, and the total number of squares should be an even number. My foundation chain has 224 stitches and I'll have 14 squares. Then make a slip stitch to join the chain. Row number 1, make chain of 3. This chain will count as a double crochet. Next, make 15 double crochet. Alright, before you finish the last blue double crochet, change the color like so. And continue make 16 double crochet using white color. Continue until you have 15 double crochet. After you have 15, make one more unfinished and change the color. Now continue make 16 double crochet using blue color. Alright, I will continue this pattern until I reach the end of my first row. After you reach the end of this row, change the color into blue and make a slip stitch on top of the third chain. Alright, now for row number 2 until row number 7, you just repeat this pattern. Make chain of 3, it will count as a double crochet, and continue make 15 double crochet using blue yarn. Now change the color into white and continue make 16 double crochet. Alright, I will continue this pattern until I have 7 rows. After you finish the row number 7, do not change the color and make a slip stitch using white yarn. Next, row number 8 until row number 14, make chain 3. It counts as a double crochet, and now make 15 double crochet using white yarn. After you have 16 double crochet, change the color into blue and continue make 16 double crochet using blue yarn. Alright, now I will continue this pattern until I finish this row. To finish this row, change the color into white and make a slip stitch with white color and continue this pattern. Alright, this is mine, and now I will continue the checkered pattern until I have 4 squares in height. Alright, mine is done. I already finished one strap as well, and now let's make another one together. Make a slip knot and attach your yarn. Then make chain 3 and 15 double crochet. Row number 2, make chain 3, turn your work, and make 15 double crochet. Alright, I will continue this until I have 7 rows. To change the color, I will cut the yarn first and then join the new color. But if you want to carrying the color as you go, please go ahead. Alright, now I will make slip knot, attach the yarn and make chain of 3 and continue make 15 double crochet. Next row, chain 3, turn your work, and continue make 15 double crochet. I will continue it until I reach row number 18. Alright, to continue the strap, repeating this pattern, continue making the straps until it fits you, and make sure the number of squares is an even number. After you finish your strap, use a tapestry needle to sew the pieces together. Now I will make single crochet border around the edge. I will start from the underarm, make slip knot, attach your yarn and make single crochet into every stitches. Continue make single crochet border as before around the neckline and along the bottom of the top. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!